For this exercise, we're going to be completing a box squat. So you ideally want something that you can use like a bench or a chair. That when you sit on it is going to end up a roughly 90-degree angle here at the knee. Okay. Now with our box squat, the purpose of this is to actually take the weight off, but it's also to get some pressure so that we're not overextending our squat, so we're not dropping too low. Or in another case, it may be something to encourage you to go to a lower depth, knowing that there's something safety behind you that you can use to tap your bum on. So with the feet a little bit wider than the shoulder width, starting on a seated position in our bench, I'm going to allow my toes to turn out a bit. Driving the knees outwards, keeping the chest tall with a lean forward. I'm going to drive hard off the heels to stand, squeezing the bum and going to full hip extension at the top, keeping my chest up and then sinking back down until we hit the bench. Now for this exercise, some progressions you may be able to make. If the goal is an improved range of motion at the knees and we want to improve the resistance, I can add a dumbbell in the hands. If the goal would be to improve the range of motion, we could reduce the height of the bit of kit that we're using and try and maybe going for a lower range of motion on the bench. For this exercise, you're going to want to complete it for the prescribed amount of repetitions and sets. That's going to be your squat to a bench.